ass DJ.
I'm good, guys. Welcome to Nobu Creative Digital Marketing Agency. How you guys are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design a just simple flyer. Thanks to our time, burger flyer. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share this video. Thank you as you watch. So a lot of people have been asking me how I did this. Just a simple flyer. So it won't take up to 10 minutes or 7 minutes. So let's get started. So the next thing I have to do right now is to link this image size as 1 to 80, 1 to 80. So there's no need of changing the image size, which is the custom size. So just leave it like that. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, so click your plus button, then click from gallery, then you go to your download. So I'm going to go with this. So after this, can you see there's something like photo source? So there's something on there. You just click on this. Then you have to what they call it, just crop it because I don't want only display to show. So I want something like this to show. So go. So I crop it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to my relative size. Then increase the height. So everything is going to increase. So can you see it right now? Go. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your click on the mark, then click on this your layer, then you lock it so that it can't move again. So after that, the next thing I'm going to bring right now is to bring out this burger. So let me go to somebody set it for me on WhatsApp business. So I'm going to go for this WhatsApp business. Sorry, I'm going to go to WhatsApp business. Yeah, it should be around there. WhatsApp document good, okay. I send it to myself. Good, so after that, just there's nothing to crop here, just leave it like this. So after that, just drag it, increase it a little bit, increase it, then place it all around there. Good. So can you see it? Good. So after that, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click. Okay, good. So after that, just go to your gallery. You can actually hit this one, just unlock it. So go to your gallery again, go to recent. So I'm going to search for phone. I'm going to search for phone, so I'm going to go with just this one. So this is what I'm going with. So good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is just to increase it a little bit. Just increase it a little bit. So after you increase it a little bit, so the next thing I'm going to be doing right now, just place it here again. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to go to your mask tool, mask. This is actually the mask. So after you go to mask tool, the next thing I'm going to do just do something like this, so increase this one to go up. Good. So I think I need to drag this a little bit. Good. So after that, just enable it. So can you see right now? So I want the one out, not the one in. So just click on out. So can you see it? Good. So after that, next time I'm going to be doing, so click on this, duplicate it, then go to your mask again, then click on this in right now. Good. So you click on this mark again. So can you see? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure it is at middle. So just click on this one, then you go to your relative position. So put it at the middle. So can you see that at the middle right now? Good. So good. So after that, you go to this one again, go to your relative position, put it at the middle. So can you see they are together again? Like there's nothing that we eat out again. So what are we going to be doing right now? It seems this one didn't go to the middle very well, so I'm going to be using my relative position because there's something that's showing there. So let's use my position key to move it a little bit to close the map to gap. So can you see the gap as closed? So for that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to the last one we copy, and this one we copy. So what I'm going to do, just move it to the back of this. So can you see that's going to the back? So it will actually do like it came out from the burger. So what are we going to do is actually okay like this. So what are we going to do? So just lock it and lock it. So go. So it's actually okay edit. So the next thing we are going to be doing right now is to click on my plus button, go to from gallery, Then so there's something I use PS. This app to do. So I used it to blur this stuff. So I used the app to blur some stuff. So after that, so this is what I blur. So what I'm going to do is just do something like this. Then yeah. So what I'm going to do right now, go to your opacity, then you reduce the opacity. So against just good. So we are actually going far. So after that, next thing I'm going to do is to go to your gallery again. So I'm going to be social media something. So this is social media stuff, social media icon. So I'm going to crop it. So after cropping, I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So I'm going to place it all around there. Good. No. Let's not show. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to change the color to black color. So let's go black color. Good. So can you see it's here? So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this your test, then you write tasty. So what I'm going to write tasty. Good. So give it capital letter tasty. Yeah, I'm going to write tasty burger. So just come to your color, give it the black color, then after you give it black color, then you give it another font. So I think I use something simple font for this. So I think I use Montestera font for this, semi-bold. I don't use any other font for it. So I think that is what I actually use. So after that, just place it here. So you know there's something up here, so you shouldn't cover it. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your first button, click on test, then you write burger. Capital letter. Good, burger, tasty burger. So what I'm going to do right now, change the color also to black color. Sorry, I'm going to your color. Don't change the color to black color. Just click on your plus button. Then you see this thing that move it to 0 to the end. So can you see the color code is 0000? So you click on OK. So can you see it's not showing again? So after that, you go to your font. Then you change the font to Mont. Something I use is montangue, MONTAGU. So that is the name of the font. So after that, you go to your stroke right now. Then you enable the stroke. So can you see it? So you just give the stroke something like 1. So I'm going back to the color. I think the color didn't form very well. It can't form very well now. So what is the problem? So okay, so let me give it this white. So I'm going to give it this. So let's go on. So actually the same thing. So I'm going to give it just only one, or what they call it, one stroke. Good. So I'm going to reduce it. So I'm going to place it here. Good, tasty burger. So also this one, I'm going to duplicate this one. I'm going to place it here too. Also this one, I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to place it here too. So can you see we are actually going well? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to move everything to the back. So just make sure that it's well aligned. So just click on your grid, then do the alignment grid to come to this way. So let's check if they are aligned. I think they are not aligned. So this one should move to this side a little bit. Let's see, look at this one too. This one actually good. So can you see we are actually moving? So what's the next thing we're going to be doing? The next thing we are going to be doing is to click. I think this thing is looking so fine, but we can't leave it just this way. So what I'm going to do, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on your layer, then move it to the back. Just move everything to the back. Everything to the back of the phone. Sorry, of the phone, yeah. The phone. So can you down that's going to the back? Just don't press it. And press it. Good. This one too. So the last one should also go. Or should we leave the last one like this? Tasty burger. I think we should actually leave the last one like this. So it's actually okay like this. So it's actually okay. So what I'm going to be doing right now. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your plus button. Click on shape. So you give this thing radius of 3 of 7. So let me check if the radius I'm giving is okay. So I'm going to reduce it to 7. So let's check it again. So it's actually good for me like this. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to put this stuff here, bring it down a little bit. Then I'm going to so the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the tasty, copy it. Then I'm going to write order here. So I'm going to give it white color. I don't want to give it what they call it, black color. So I'm going to give it black color. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to place it, nothing like rotate. So I'm going to place it here. Good. So let me position this very well. So after that, next thing you're going to do is to click on your plus button again, duplicate this, then you write the number. So let me say I want to write the number of the person. So let me say this is the number of the person. So I'm going to write it. So I'm going to give it black color. You can't put the white on white. So leave the size. So go to your color. So change the color to something this. So I'm going to leave it here. I mean so much. I'm going to reduce it a little bit. I'm going to reduce the number. So let me reduce the number. I don't want to enlarge it because of the traffic. So let's say good. So let me put one more. So good. So everything is actually film like this, fits like this. So what is the next I'm going to be doing? So the next I'm going to be doing right now is to click on this shape. So I want to give it this shape. This actually shape for this. Then so when you just reduce the opacity, go to your stroke here, increase the stroke a little bit. So I think 5 is okay. I think 3 is okay. So I'm going to place it all around there. So I'm going to put it here. So after that, just copy this order here or copy this number. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to write the amount. So let me say I'm $2. So $2. So I'm going to position it. So I'm going to bring it here. So let me use my relative position to make sure it's fast enough. Good. So I'm going to position it with this right now. So let me zoom it to work. So let me take us longer to do this. So increase it a little bit. Then try to copy here. Good. So let's say the burger price is $2. So can you see we are actually going? So it actually fit me. So this I got this. So let me increase this opacity so they will know something is actually here also. So let's give it something 90. So can you see it? Okay. So this is how I got this burger. So thank you for watching up to now. Thank you for watching up to now. So the next thing now, you can actually go to here, then you save your work as image, save as PNG, and also save as ultra. Yeah, ultra give you a resolution. I just discovered it. So good. So this is how I got this. So you can actually do just like this, or you find another image to do it. So thank you for watching up to now. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the channel. Thank you.